Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to delete or remove an admin member from your Clickup workspace. Managing admin access is really important for security and control, especially when team roles change. Yeah, let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Clickup website. Once the page loads, sign into your Clickup account using your email and password. Make sure you're logged in as the workspace owner or an admin because only these roles can manage members and admin permissions. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard. From here, click on your workspace avatar or profile icon, usually found in the top left or top right corner. In the menu that appears, select Workspace Settings. This is where all member roles and permissions are managed. Inside Workspace Settings, navigate to the People or Members section. Here, you'll see a list of everyone who has access to your Clickup workspace, along with their roles like member, admin, or guest. Scroll through the list and find the admin member you want to remove. Now, click on the role drop-down next to that person's name. If you only want to remove admin privileges, change their role from admin to member. This instantly removes their admin-level access while keeping them in the workspace. If you want to fully remove the admin from the workspace, click the three-dot menu next to their name and choose Remove from Workspace. ClickUp will ask you to confirm this action. Once confirmed, that user will no longer have access to your workspace, tasks, or data. Before removing an admin, it's a good idea to double-check task ownership and shared responsibilities. You may want to reassign tasks, dashboards, or docs to another admin to avoid losing access to important resources. Also, keep in mind that changes take effect immediately. The removed admin will be logged out and won't be able to access the workspace unless they're invited again. This helps keep your workspace secure and organized. And that's it. Removing or demoting an admin member in ClickUp is quick and straightforward when you know where to look. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.